So I ended up stopping at Dollar Tree just to check out all their new fall things. I was so excited for this season of new decorations and fall stuff. They did have a few Halloween things there too, but I was definitely more interested in the fall things. And then they also had these cute little DIY like paint craft type pumpkins in different shapes of fall, and then these LED fall leaf lights, and then a bunch of other leaves as well. I honestly forgot to pick up leaves, which I hopefully will get to do before the season is over with, but I want to get the ones that are all connected together most likely. They did have those type of leaves there. I just totally forgot to pick them up, so hopefully I'll be back and be able to get those. A bunch of different type fabric ribbons with a bunch of different patterns on them too. And then they also have these signs here, which I thought were really, really cute. Some say family and friends, bless this home. And then they also have these scarecrows over here. I mean, they're not the best quality, but they're still pretty cute, especially if you like have it with a few other things possibly too. And then this like welcome sign. These were pretty cute too, but I already have something for my door, so I didn't pick up anything like that. And then they also have these other signs over here with like the autumn, falling leaves, pumpkin pie, happy fall, hot apple cider, family and friends. I really thought that one was cute. And then they also have these buckets that have like scarecrows and owls on them. And this sign over here, I did actually pick up and bring home. It was so cute. They also have these other versions of that too, but my favorite one was the Farm Fresh one. And then this one is absolutely adorable too. I did pick up that one. And then at the end of this video, I will kind of show like how I decorated with these few items. And then cute little glittery pumpkins. You can never have enough pumpkins. And just like a different style on this side with like a thicker glitter. And I really like that color orange the best though over the yellow. And then they have these over here too. A lot of cute things, honestly. And then like window Klingons as well. And yes, these are the leaves I was talking about earlier. Definitely want to go back and get those. Just saying, you guys, I love all the fall scents at Bath & Body Works. I just picked up this candle. This one is the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. It smells so good. And yes, I'm watching Friends. Love Friends. But at the top of the TV stand, you'll see where I actually added some of the items that I got from Dollar Tree. Really, really cute. And then this sign is absolutely my favorite. I love the writing on it. It's so cute, so pretty. And I would have to say this is my favorite thing that I got from the store. And then right here are some flowers, and then this cute little orange glittery pumpkin. I love anything glittery. And then over here is another little small orange pumpkin. Right back there are my boots. I got those from Boot Barn. I know they're not really fall related, but they're cute and might as well have them out instead of in like a closet or something. And then the white little candle thing was from Target a couple years ago. And then I just have like these white lights throughout the top of the TV stand. Usually I want to put orange lights up there, and I might do that before Halloween, but as of right now they're just here. And then this sign over here, The Love Never Fails. My Nana actually got this for me for my first apartment ever. It's so special to me, and I'll always keep it, but it's super cute. And yeah, I just love it so much. here is this white pumpkin. I also got this from Target a couple years ago as well. So I just put it there. And then of course I have Friends on. I love that show so much. And Weston's right over here. He's just looking out the window being super cute as usual. And then right here, I also got this sign from Dollar Tree. It says Happy Harvest. Super cute. I love like the wood look. And then the like oven mitts that say Blessed and Thankful. Really cute as well. I love anything gray. And then this scarecrow over here was also from Dollar Tree. Super cute little dude. And then the sign over here that says Less Worry, More Prayer. I've had this for a couple years too. Got that from Ross, I believe. Sign is from Dollar Tree as well. I love anything with like the farm style to it. Just says Farm Fresh, hand-picked pumpkins daily. And I just thought it was really cute, so I had to put this in the kitchen. And then this sign over here says Family Friends Football. I thought it was really cute in the store. I got this at Dollar Tree as well. I think I still like it a lot. It's probably just gonna stay here anyways. I just put it next to the fridge. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and look at Ellie being so cute as usual too. But yeah, if you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!